So tell us your name and tell us about your project.
Hi, I'm Jackson Fleming, and today I am Edward Morley. I experimented with the theory of luminiferous ether. Um, our experiment, which was in 1887, consisted of a light source, a fixed half transparent mirror placed at 45 degrees, another fixed mirror, and also a movable mirror along with a screen to observe the interference position from our light source.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
What we were trying to find or, or detect was the velocity of Earth with respect to the hypothetical luminiferous ether. Um, this ether had been proposed to carry light waves in space at the time, and in our experiment, what we did was compare the optical lengths for light moving in perpendicular directions. What we were hoping to find was that we're hoping to find motion by comparing the speed of light and the direction of Earth's motion, and also the speed of light at right angles to the Earth.
Where did the project or experiment occur?
We performed our experiment at what is now called Case Western University in Cleveland, Ohio. Um, that university was previously known by the Case School of Applied Sciences at the time.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
So a few other significant events at the time. During our experiment in 1887, the first bacteriology lab opened in Brooklyn, New York. That's very important to the scientific community. Roger Howe patented barbed wire fencing in 1887. And also, Hannibal Goodwin patented celluloid photofilm.
Who else was involved in the project?
My partner, Albert Mickelson, was responsible for a lot of the construction of the device used in our project. He had a lot bigger physics background than I did and conducted a lot of that in our experiment.
What was your role in your project?
My primary role in the project was analyzing and collecting the data of light from our screen. In the project, I used a lot more of my chemistry background to do so.
What impact did your project
Our experiment uh, as a whole for us was a failure. Um, we could not conclude that uh, luminiferous ether existed. However, our experiment was very important for the physics community. Um, we were able to show indirectly that the speed of light is a constant. Um, the speed of light is not influenced by direction at any point in time in space. Speed of light is solely a constant. Our experiment kind of served as a stepping stone for the great Albert Einstein, who developed his theory of relativity, which is very, very important to modern physics.
Do you view your experiment as a failure, as some of the scientific community claim it is?
Um, yes, our experiment has been called the Great Failure, but with that, um, any scientific discovery is not a failure. Just because we did not find what we were looking to find, um, it was very instrumental in Albert Einstein's work. Um, with that, just about anything that is done that advances thought and is very moving towards the right direction in science is a great thing. And for that, I do not believe that our experiment was a failure. However, it was in our eyes because we could not prove luminiferous ether existed. But the very important thing is this data that proved that the speed of light was a constant. Thank you very much.